coming to the ground right now. It is on the ground at this time.
Thanks, sir. And you're going to put that west 58 and 19 in the windmill farm?
58, 19 on the ground.
Yeah, 58 straight on. It's on Highway 19, very near Highway 19, west of Highway 58.
Growing
large tornado
very
now.
Fast, growing large, very fast.
Getting much larger. Good frontal contact, good tornado on the ground.
South of 19 still.
Yeah, it might be just a little bit south of 19. Okay, now lifting back up. Lifting up at this time.
There's another one coming down. No.
Okay, multiple vortex tubes right now.
It's straight to the west, crossing over the top of 19 right now.
Multiple vortex tube at this time.
Can we go north, Brian? Just a little bit?
In a minute. We're not going anywhere north right now. It's going to cross.
Okay, best location now is showing about 17 miles.
Look at the hail over here.
Southwest of Fort Cobb.
Kim, get back in so we can move if we need to.
You want to sit on my lap?
Where 19 goes west of 58, south
Is there
of
no
Carnegie, about
wedge back on the other side of that?
something like that.
Could be.
And then
Get
just
in.
now across the 19. How
I'm
far
tired
back
holding
to
this
the west
door
of
open.
58 is it, guy? What is that, about 3 or 4 miles?